Look at this, there's a huge blizzard and look at the window now. It's completely full of snow that's turned into water. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Whoa. Look at the snow and look at this car that's covered. The storm is very huge. I barely can't even walk. Look at this. What? What is wrong? I don't understand why Canada has this weather. Guys, look at this. Guys, look at this pile of snow. Hopefully there's somewhere we can get out. Go here. Whoa. Oh my God. Guys, look at this. Look at the snow. My mom is even struggling. Whee! Wow, my hand. I hope I don't get frostbite. Guys, look at this. Oh God. The camera can't survive. My dad started AM teaching deporting, guys, but yeah, I couldn't go get it. But
this car, look.
Whoa, look at the car. That's covered. Whoa. Whoa. Look at, oh my God.